What are you doing up there?
Sitting.
Huh?
Sitting.
Why?
Because it's the tallest pillar.
Is it? Is it the tallest one?
Actually, from here, they look like they're all the same height. Like an illusion.
Yeah. Wait, let me take pictures. Nice, Mike. Nice, very nice. Yeah, wait. No further. So how do you like Paris?
I like to film everything.
How do you like Paris?
It's good. It's good. It's good.